Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. So today we have this particular airdrop called Unich Airdrop. Okay, so now this particular airdrop is a mining airdrop. Okay, so it's very easy to do. It's one of the most easiest mining projects I've ever seen. Okay, so I'll be taking you guys the step guide on how to go through this particular one. Okay, now there is a link down there in the description. Once you click on it, that's the sign up link. You then get to this particular page for you to sign up. Okay, so as you can see here, for you to create an account here, you need email address for you to do that. So once you get here, you input your email here and then sign up. Okay, so I'll just take you guys through these steps. Okay, alright, now they will send a code there for you at your email. Okay, just go there, put in the code, verify. So once you're done with the verification, you just come back here and then sign in. So now when you're done with the sign in, you now have to get to the main dashboard. So now this is how the dashboard will look like when you're done with the signing up process. Okay, so very easy sign up process. Okay, so once you're done with it, you get to this particular place. So just like I said initially, that this is a mining airdrop. Okay, so you mine. Okay, so now to do that, you have to activate this as you can see here, you have to activate this particular the mining process itself. So once you come here, you click on activate. So now this one it takes 24 hours for you to reactivate. Okay, that means every 24 hours you have to come here and tap. As you can see here, tap to end. So you come here, you click on it, and then start generating points for you. So that the next 24 hours I have to say come back here and then click on it. Okay, so now, but the interesting part about this one is that if you miss this particular mining process, if you miss it for 3 days, there will be point deduction. Okay, so they deduct points for you for not being active in this particular airdrop. Okay, now aside from that, another thing you have to do here, most of them are kind of one time tax. Okay, you have to do here is to come here to join this connect your socials. So once you come here, you follow them on IG, follow them on Discord, Twitter, all those stuff. So once you just do this, you claim your points as well. Okay, so basically how you earn here is just ensuring that this mining is always active. Okay, once you come here and click on it, it's keep loading, it's accumulating points for you. So aside from doing this one time tax, and then every day you have to come here, once you click on it, so far it's on, you're accumulating points for yourself. And then you have to, of course they used to do daily posts, so you have to come here and also click on the daily post on Twitter, like and repost, and then come back here and claim your points. So aside from that, another thing you can do here is also to refer as well. Okay, that's how you also earn points from this particular airdrop. So you just come down here, copy your link here, invite, see, come here, click on. Once you click on this particular one, you have the opportunity for you to copy your link and then you can share. So once anybody sign up with your link, you will then have to get 50 points, FD points. Okay, so that's how you earn from this particular one. So it's very easy one to do, very easy testnet. This one is a very easy mining airdrop I've ever seen, so very easy one to do. So once you do that, you keep accumulating points for. As you can see, I have up to 2,890 FD points here. Of course, I'm still starting with this particular one, but it's a good one that I joined. Okay, so that's all for now. But if there is any update, I'll do it to let you guys know. So you like this video, subscribe, like and share, and then keep following us. Once there's any update, I'll let you guys know. So that's all for this simple airdrop. So thank you so much.